It was a rainy day in Leo's little town. He splashing through puddles, hurrying home for hot chocolate. Then he stopped. A soft whimper came from a nearby bush. Leo picked through the leaves. A tiny muddy puppy shivered in the cold. "Oh no, you're freezing," Leo said, wrapping his raincoat around the puppy. "Let's get you warm." At home, Leo dried the puppy. The mud had gone away, revealing golden fur. "You are so cute," Leo smiled. "I will call you Sunny, my little ray of sunshine." That evening, Leo and Sunny cuddled by the window. Sunny wagged his tail happily. "We will be best friends forever," Leo whispered. Leo and Sunny did everything together, playing in the park, running in the garden, and snuggled at the bedtime. Sunny made every day brighter. One rainy day, Leo stroked Sunny's hand. "Rainy day aren't so bad," he said, smiling. "They remind me of how I found you." Leo realized something special. A little kindness can change a life. Sometimes the rain brings the best surprises. Leo and Sunny played in the garden under a sunny sky. Be kind, and you might find a new best friend.